everyone, thank you for clicking this video. I'll be showing you a simple crochet hairstyle. What you need for this is a crochet hook, a few combs here and there, and your braiding hair. It's going to be pretty simple. The most popular way to do crochet styles is on cornrows, so that's what I'm doing. You can have someone braid them for you, they don't have to be too neat. You'll notice that at the center is where I'll do smaller lines because that's where I want my part to be. So, for the hair, you can either recycle your braids, and hence it's very cheap, or just buy a few packs of your braids. Make a loop of the braiding hair, pass the hook through your hair like so. Hook the hair onto the crochet and close the latch. This will make the whole process run smoothly. So pass the crochet back and undo the latch. You can tie the hair down using your fingers or hook, as you'll see in a few clips ahead. I'll repeat the same process, spacing out the hair at the back. I'll use a mirror to check for any large gaps as well. There's several ways you can do your part, and I'll show you the invisible method. Make sure you pass your hook towards the center of the part for you to get the results you need. So, to make an invisible part, you'll need to tie the hair in a way that will conceal the knot. That's basically what an invisible part is. For this, you'll only take one part of the tail and tie it through the loop. An invisible part is one which will look a bit more natural because you'll be hiding the knots, like the normal crochet knots that are very visible. So thank you guys for watching this video. Comment down below on what you think, and also ask me any questions. I'll be posting more crochet hairstyles in my channel, so stay tuned and we'll learn these together. This is a very quick and simple hairstyle. Bye.